Well, good evening. I'm Stan Boney. When you first see it, the first question is, how did it happen? How did a tree service truck end up nearly vertical off the ground? How did they get it down? What started at 10:30 this morning ended at 6:15 this evening. First News reporter Jacob Thompson was at the scene in Austintown when it all ended. He's now live in the newsroom with our top story at 11.
Yes, Stan, the neighbors say they've never seen anything like it before, a truck sticking straight up in the air. One neighbor told me the neighborhood is a quiet one. That is until the truck landed on top of the house.
I was stunned. I never saw anything like this in my life.
A crowd gathered on Lorry Drive in Austintown. They all wanted to watch the cranes move a tree service truck that was on top of a house, something a lot of people had never seen in real life.
I've never seen anything like it. I've seen it on YouTube, but it's interesting.
For the past 20 years, Kathleen Hyam rides her bike every day down Lorry Drive. She tells me she would always see the man that lives in this house.
Every time I come around this loop, this elderly gentleman's on his porch and he waves to me and I wave back. When I came this morning, I see this truck up in the air.
The truck was cutting down trees when a strong gust of wind caught a branch. This caused it to fall onto the house.
It was like a crashing noise, but I couldn't imagine what a crashing noise would be around here.
Nadine Roman lives next to the house. Since about 10:30 this morning, she was not allowed to go inside her home.
I haven't been allowed in my house all day, and I snuck in to get my dog.
Even though it took all day, it's just to make sure nothing else goes wrong.
You can tell these guys are true professionals the way they're handling this. It's nice and slow and safe.
And everyone is happy the man who lives at the house is safe.
I'm glad he's all right, that the way it fell, it didn't fall in a living room or anything where he was.
Well, you can bet I'm going to ride up his drive when I see him. It's not just going to be a wave. Give him a big hug, maybe.
Now I'm told the man who lives in the house is currently staying with his son and daughter-in-law. Live in the newsroom, Jacob Thompson, WKBN 27 First News.